Today we're going to replace the oxygen sensor on bank 1, sensor 1 on this 2013 Ford Explorer. Alright, I just made a video of how to remove the old one, and this is going to be a video of how to install the new one. There is the part number. Here's the oxygen sensor, and this one is located in the rear of the motor. It is going to be way down there. So the way you're going to come in, it's through this side here. Bring your arm all the way down, place it into place, go ahead and secure it down and tighten it first. Alright, we're going to use the oxygen sensor socket with a swivel and extension to go ahead and tie that down. Alright, and there it is. And I'm going to go ahead and tie that down. I'm going to use both hands real quick. Once you have it nice and secured, go ahead and take your tool out. Just be careful so you don't drop the socket. Sweet. Let's go ahead and connect the pigtail. Here's the pigtail. And the pigtail connection, it's right there. Let's line these up. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and connect that real quick. Alright, and there it is. And there it is, clipped on. The oxygen sensor is nice and secured. That's plugged in. Alright. Now we're ready to get all our tools out of the engine bay. Let's go ahead and put this cover back on first. This is gonna go right in here. Alright, and there it is, and there is two clips that hold it into place. Alright, so this one's gonna go right in here. Just push that all the way down. This one's gonna go right in here and secure it down. There it is. That slides right over the oil funnel, or the filler neck, yeah. And we should be set. Now let's go ahead and remove all the tools from the engine bay. Alright, and that is how you remove the oxygen sensor from bank 1, sensor 1. Now let's go ahead and clear that check engine. Alright, so here we are inside of the vehicle, and we have our OBD2 scanner connected to the car. We're going to go ahead and scan it for some faults. There it is, oxygen sensor bank 1, sensor 1, oxygen sensor bank 2, sensor 1. Just replace both of the sensor ones on both bank 1 and bank 2. We have a small evaporative leak, probably the fuel cap. No biggie, but what we're going to do is going to go ahead and clear the faults. Go ahead and get that check engine to go away. We're going to refresh it. And there it is. Let's go ahead. I think maybe this one might need to be started up. Nope. Check engine is gone. Sweet. So we're going to go ahead and refresh it. It is now historic faults. Let's go ahead, and we have our live data here. Sweet. Now we're set. All we got to do is complete a drive cycle and we should be good. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.